This travel lockdown has me feeling overly nostalgic, trying to remember just what it felt like to fly across the world and experience a new culture again. There's something so mesmerizing about falling asleep in the window seat as the prairies, mountains, and oceans pass by below. Waking up in a new city with an entirely new culture to experience. It's just something I can't replicate back at home. During this trip, we spent a few days in the city, eating local food, drinking beer, and watching surfers shred on the Eisbach River. Without a worry in the world, we jumped on a train, headed for the countryside. Making our way through Garmisch Partenkirchen and up to the highest peak in the area, Zugspitze. Now feels like a faraway dream. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll be seeing you again soon.